Good morning, everybody. It's a blustery day in the 100-acre woods of Chicago. We daily vlog, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you come back every day. I'm actually on my way to Orangetheory today. I know usually I vlog after it. Oh, I look tired. I am tired. But it's 7:45. Class is in 15 minutes. Doing something called the dry triathlon. There's no swimming involved. It's like 2,000 meters on the row machine, I think 200 body weight movements, and then a 5K. So a specialty kind of class. I've never done it before. Here it's a great time. So this is why I'm doing an additional class this week off cycle for my Mondays and Fridays. So I guess we're just gonna go and see what the deal is here with this thing called a dry tri.
If you want some never, just let me know.
Do I look less tired or more tired? Check it out. I did it. Wait for it. I did it. Pretty basic medal, pretty cool. I got a blanket, or not a blanket, I got a towel, like a sweat towel from Orangetheory, some swag. Finished, I think at 55. I have to look at the email and see what my stats are. Finished 55 minutes. Yeah, it was awesome. It was a lot of work. I suspected the hardest part for me was going to be the floor, because you do 300. If you do a full dry tri, it's 300 body weight movements. And I think I've explained this before in the vlog, that one of the reasons why I wanted to start going to Orangetheory or a structured gym like that is because I never really had any cross training, weight training, upper body strength. So that is always my most challenging piece. I think I did a decent job on the row, because we started off in the row machine doing 2,000 meters of not burning out on that. Of course, like my running, I started out hot, and then after the first like 500 meters, I was like, okay, calm it down. But I feel good. But I'm gonna stop in Whole Foods and pick up, I think, like a coffee, something fancy for Sarah, maybe, and a pastry or two. So a little pit stop on the way home. It's 9:20. We have to go downtown to get my Shamrock Shuffle package today. It's the cool thing about living in a city is just being able to pop into a store like that on your way home. I got some coffee, got Sarah an Italian soda, got some pastries for me, Sarah, and James. Oh, it's chocolate chip scone.
Yum.
For my Jamesie.
Thank you, Dad. He really likes the flowers.
Yeah, I didn't tell the vlog that I got Sarah a little thing of flowers.
Gorgeous, so springy.
Try to get me. Why are you backing away slowly?
He's backing off the road safely.
You're gonna share, there's nothing else in there, sweetie. You're gonna share the wild berry Italian soda with Mom. You can't really have those coffees. So here is a better look at the towel.
Jamesie fell asleep on the train, so we're gonna take advantage of this as his nap time. Okay, we got a course map here. You saw the start line just a little bit ago. Oh, so the finish line isn't exactly where the start line is. But here it goes. All the way around downtown and through the lakefront. Hey!
We got t-shirt pickup, and they're doing t-shirt exchange, which hopefully I'll be able to do. We got some awesome Irish swag or merchandise. Look at these Chicago Irish versions. We got Kara out here. We got a cool, look at that kid doing a cool pose. We got a cool Nike photo op, bags.
I got red.
You call it red? Okay, they're gonna play tic-tac-toe. My brother and I are gonna grab a beer. The girls are in there checking out the merch. And that's how we're gonna dress tomorrow. Another Chicago move is thinking it's gonna be warm because it's a St. Patrick's Day themed run. So you come to package pickup and you grab a beer, but you forget that it's cold, so you hold your beer with a glove on. I have one glove and I give the other glove to my brother. So our hands can be warm.
Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be going in the store. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Bricky, say hi. Bricky, say hi. Hey, say hi. Say hi.
And then, like, for 1 year, for one of them, you're like,
No. Wait, film into the phone?
Yeah.
Okay. What does it look like? Oh, wait, flip it. There you guys.
We're in Primark. James has woken up. My brother's gonna get some pants for tomorrow because it's gonna be cold. Found some good pants. Brooklyn's getting some makeup, it looks like. And we're gonna get some food after this. Right, James? You wanna get out? I'll take you out.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Aunt Sarah. My shoes. Sheesh. These are really cute if these were in baby size.
Look at these jammies I'm gonna get, Jamesie. Coming in clutch.
NFL socks, let's go. Baby size. Oh, this is PlayStation shoes.
Alright, we're gonna grab some lunch. Urban Space. We love this place. Yep. Peter got a falafel on a pita. You put the french fries right on it with that tzatziki sauce. And I got a Greek bowl. There's grape leaves, there's spicy feta, there's plant-based meatballs, and a thief with french fries and pita and slaw.
We're leaving Urban Space. Was it delicious or was it delicious?
So good. It's like fabulous portions. I also got baklava. Did you throw it away?
No, I kept it. We're gonna wait till we get home so we don't have to share with any of our nieces or nephews.
We have like, I feel like our last couple times we could have had baklava, we've passed it up, and today I was not planning.
So we're gonna stop.
Passing it up.
We're gonna go to Old Navy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need some shorts and then I think we're gonna head out of here. I'm tired.
I'm tired too. Still gotta edit.
I do love Canterbury. We're stopping at our friendly neighborhood Target to grab deodorant, but we're maximizing on Easter candy. Will one of these 2 bags be eaten by Monday morning? Probably.
I'm a Hershey fan.
I am a Canterbury. Okay, we're walking home and we see that the store's got Taste of North Halstead food and drink sampling crawl. From 2 to 5, it's 4. We're about to see if we're doing this. Guys, we missed out.
We missed out.
Hard.
It was $20 per person, 11 beverage tastings, 14 food samples.
Amongst 19 locations.
Yeah.
So you guys like choose.
So like Chicago Diner had meatless Thai chili wings.
But all within a few, like within a mile of our home.
Risotto. It was called Taste of North Halstead, which is like what our neighborhood is called.
So it was 3 hours and we're now 2 hours into the 3-hour window.
Yeah.
And like we're already tuckered out. So like,
How did we not know? I followed them on Instagram.
Yeah.
I gotta subscribe to their
we would
newsletter.
have been here like right at 2,
I know.
ready to go having like, we would have gotten our money's worth.
Yeah.
Plus, well,
That's
we
like-
know
it's
for
great to,
next
like-
year.
It's great to know like when your neighborhood's doing fun things, but like it feels worse when you miss it.
Well, let's put it on the calendar for next year.
Showing Evie your xylophone sticks. Wow. Doing a low-key Primark haul. Look at this cute bag. This is just like me in a nutshell. What am I gonna put in here? I don't know, but I'm excited about it. And it does have a strap. We also got a couple of things from Old Navy. So this is part Primark. Don't use my super cash. I almost called it super cash. Oh, Peter is having secondhand embarrassment of me. So for Jamesie, we got these ankle socks because he's got big feet and he has sweaty feet. And we're nervous that he is getting athlete's foot. So we need to like switch out his socks multiple times a day. And then these are for Teddy, which is exciting because we really haven't gotten much for him. We had these jammies for Jamesie, and they are just like the softest, most lovely onesie, and they were $8 at 40% off, so just like such a good deal. And we got them in a couple different colors. So this is like one of our first purchases for Teddy. We really need to go through all of James's clothes and make sure we're all set there. We got this little number for Teddy and this matching set for the boys. So these were 14. These are like nicer, like thick khaki quality for our 2 rainbow babies. And this one was also 14. So again, it being a set, Primark has really great prices. So another matching outfit for the 2. A few more Disney things for Jamesy. We got him these goofy, they kind of look like 90s retro looking design. Jammy set. Be happy, keep smiling. I didn't see that it said that on the tag. And these were $12. And also from their Disney section, some Donald stuff. I don't know if he's ever had Donald. But this is a really cute shirt. And then just little Donald heads. Oh, and it has a patch. I didn't notice that before. And then this one's just like sketched Donalds. Subtle, simple. And that 3-pack of shirts was $13. And then we got those short sleeve shirts because we realized that a lot of Jamesy's clothes, a lot of his shirts at least, are long sleeves. So we need some spring shirts. So we got this little 3-pack of shirts. 2 for $10. And this is a potential Easter outfit depending on the temperature. They're these little shorts with they're like really nice soft material, linen, with the little suspenders attached to these buttons. That little check shirt, that was $19, with it being a little nicer. And then the reason we actually went in there was for $1 mittens, because Chicago's still unpredictable, and you know, mittens go missing fast, or we lose them on the way. So we got 2 sets of these for $1 each. And that is our Primark haul. You gonna cheer on Dad tomorrow?
Yeah.
Dad's been loving Muppet Babies. Jamesy too. Mostly Dad.
James is soaking in Shrek right now. First time he's ever watched it, and he's loving it so far. Eve's relaxing in the window. Sarah's editing. I'm about to make some Chris Kindle Market cheese. Heat it up. James is super cuddly watching Shrek for the first time.
He can't take his eyes off.
We're having some yogurt while we heat some cheese up from Chris Kindle Market. This is cheese with garlic. Ooh. Oh yeah. Smells like Christmas time.
Are you ready to run?
Yeah, I just have to get the stroller from the car. But like, this is my business later.
It's gonna be a chilly morning, but the sun is gonna be shining. Look at all that green. And even busted out the green brooks. Something important that Peter and I do basically every night before a race is look at the course and see if I can be on the course to cheer him on, or just be at the start or finish line, whether it's Chicago or Disney. So we just spent the last half hour doing that, looking what time he has to be there. We're actually not going to travel together because even though we're going to only leave an hour and a half difference, it will make a difference as far as James waking up on his own and how much time it's going to take us to get ready to go and like sleeping more. So for tomorrow, I am going to wake up at the same time as Peter, but I'm just going to get myself ready, and then I will only have to worry about James once Peter is out the door and James wakes up. So that's why Peter is going up to the car to get our city mini stroller. It's a little bit easier to manage on my own than our Bugaboo. And I just have to repack our diaper bag in the morning and then get James changed before we go. My plan is to see Peter at he's actually going to be running with his brother, so Peter and Michael. I'm hoping to see them on State Street and then at the finish line. Finish line is always a little bit iffier here in Chicago, just as far as access and stuff goes. So there's a post-race party, so it's not as guaranteed we'll see him cross the finish line. So that's why we want to make sure that we'll see him on the route. Also, my sister Jenna is running tomorrow, so I gotta check in with her to see what time her wave starts, to see if it'll work out for me to also see her as well. Evie, there's nothing under there. Evers, I just checked and Eve is gonna lose her mind until we figure out what she wants. Alrighty, while Peter tries to figure that out, we'll do the daily message. Wow, spring begins on the 20th for the Northern Hemisphere. Strong, deeply rooted desire is the starting point of all achievement. Napoleon Hill. This has to be the weirdest shot ever on the Brookhart project.
There's literally...
There's a ball.
I'm not even drawing towards that. It's real early for a Saturday, but we have an early start tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead of Sarah and James to the start girls and everything. It's gonna be a really good day. It's a fun, very downtown Chicago loop route for, I think it's an 8K, so it's 4.7 or 4.9 miles or something. I've never gone a run like that. I've never done a run like this with my brother. I don't think my brother's actually done a race before. He did track and field in high school, but I don't think he's ever done a race in his personal life. So I'm excited for that. Sarah's older sister's running it, so we should see her. I know of at least one ACS worker, our friend Jessica, is running it. So hopefully we run into her. Should just be overall a good day, and I think a decent crowd comes out for this. There's an 8K run and a 2-mile walk, and there's a party festivity that bands and food and beer at the end of it. So it should be a good first half of the day, early morning kind of vibe. Eve needs water, so it's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.